If you are struggling with gesture controls or simply prefer the old school navigation style, you can easily switch your Samsung phone back to the classic back, home, and recents buttons in just a few taps. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the settings page. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you see display and tap on it to continue. Inside the display menu, look for an option called navigation bar. Tap it to open your navigation settings. This is where you can change how you control your phone. Now select buttons instead of gestures. This will instantly bring back the traditional 3-button layout at the bottom of your screen, making it easier to navigate if you prefer physical style controls. After that, you'll see a setting called button order. Tap on it if you want to customize the placement of the buttons. You can switch the position of the back and recents buttons depending on what feels more natural for your usage. Once you're done, simply go back to the home screen. The changes are applied automatically, no extra saving needed. Now your phone feels more familiar and easier to use with the classic navigation setup restored, giving you smoother control every time you use your Samsung device.